Hi, welcome to Edison Public Library's crafting time. Today we're going to learn how to make a bookmark out of duct tape. Alright, so this is the one I made, and I'll show you how it works real fast on my book here. So there's a little slot in the bookmark that just goes right over the page where you want to mark it, right, just like that. So it doesn't stick out too far, easy to keep in a backpack, it doesn't bend, and of course duct tape is tough, so there it is. Alright, when you're ready to read, you just pull it off. Alright. So I customized mine with the letter L for the first letter of my last name. So I'm going to show you how to make a bookmark out of duct tape. Okay, so let's get started. So here's what you're going to need. Obviously, you're going to need duct tape, right? You're going to use yellow and this decorative type of duct tape. You can get stuff like this at any craft store or Walmart. So there's that. You'll need scissors. You'll need cardstock, which is the kind of thicker paper that note cards are made from. And you're going to cut out a piece. You're going to cut out two pieces actually. Both pieces are 2.5 by 2.5 inches, and you're going to cut one of them in half so that you have a triangle. All right. Okay. So we're going to start with our 2.5 inch square piece, and we're going to cover it with one of the duct tapes. Piece about 5 inches long to start. And try to put it on so it's nice and smooth. Over. Right. You're going to have a little extra on the end that you just cut off. Like so. Okay. Another piece. Long. Sure. Alright. Then cut off your extra. Alright, so there's your first piece. Alright. Now, the triangle, you're going to need a piece that's exactly 3.5 inches long. I already cut mine off. So, good idea to use a ruler. And then what you're going to do, once you get it from sticking to you, is you're going to set it in the middle of it, but you're going to leave a little bit of space at the bottom, like so. Alright, so there's, you stick it on there, and then you're going to fold this piece up over the bottom of the triangle, the long side of the triangle. And then you're going to set your square lined up with the triangle like this. And then you're going to fold those flaps that you left up onto the square, like so. go. And then when you turn it over, you've got your bookmark. So there's the little flap that the page is going to go into. And obviously you can customize yours like I did mine. I used a piece of black duct tape to make the L. You can use tape or markers. Permanent markers work best on duct tape. You can cut out a piece of yellow to cover up this. You can do all sorts of things. But the nice thing about these bookmarks is they're tough. All right, they'll last a long time. They're actually waterproof. Hopefully you don't get your book in the water, so you'll never find that out. But so there you go. There is your duct tape bookmark. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you later.